Hello, I'm Tim Clank with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana. Today we got a Winnebago product here, and it's getting an Invincible Roof. However, when we came up, they were told they had some roof problems. A dealer had actually put like a Gorilla tape or Carlisle tape or something, basically going from the radius fiberglass down to the actual rail itself. And what that was doing, it was actually holding in the fiberglass or Phylon roof system that the manufacturer originally installed. The problem is that this roof had actually broken loose from the rail on the side, causing water infiltration into the coach. If this happens, it can cause delamination of the sidewalls and a lot of other problems. And what happened here is with this raising up, it caused the top Phylon to become delaminated from the top of the roof. So if you go across here, you'll actually see movement within 12 inches from the radius corner itself. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to end up splitting the fiberglass up in the front and in the back. We're going to be lifting the roof completely out. We have to clean off all of this tape residue that's on here, and then we have to Sikaflex in and re-laminate the fiberglass back down to the roof structure itself. Because on a laminated coach, whether it's a sidewall or roof, it depends on the inside lamination as well as the outside lamination to be structurally intact. So this coach is getting an Invincible Roof afterwards. After we're all done, this coach will also, from now on, it will eliminate streaking down the side of the coach. This is a Phylon roof. And the same thing that happens to a gel coat roof as a rubber roof. Your coaches always get dirty, and that's because of the deterioration of rubber or fiberglass coming down the side of the coach. So that's where the black streaks come from. Some of the coaches out there have integrated roof drains, so those coaches seem to stay a little bit cleaner. However, there is always a deterioration of the fiberglass or rubber on a RV roof every single day. Once the coach gets an Invincible Roof by MasterTech, it is the best roof the coach will ever have. It has a tensile strength of 3,500 PSI. You never have to maintenance the roof except washing it. There's absolutely no sealing around any objects, whether it be AC, whether it be a roof vent or a skylight or any product on it, because we want a maintenance-free roof on our RVs. Why would you want to pay hundreds of dollars every year or have in your budget $1,000 every 2 to 3 years to spend on the roof maintenance of an RV? Once you get an Invincible Roof by MasterTech, it is the last time you ever have to seal the roof again. Stay tuned for more videos on this. Share us on Facebook, and like us on YouTube. We are America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center, MasterTech. We got your back.